You can use it for brushing your teeth, you can use it for cleaning your shoes, and you can also use it as a weapon. Now, for this toothbrush in particular, this is not a commissary toothbrush, but we do get packages 4 times a year in different quarters. They break down the year in 3-month quarters, and you can order this toothbrush. So if you order this toothbrush, basically you're gonna strip the plastic off. After you strip the plastic off, you're gonna go down to the ground and you're gonna file it. This is the basic, the simplest, this is the pole lock weapon right here. So say anybody can use it. Anybody can make it. My thing is, I've never used one because I've always had access to plexiglass, razors, or metal. But if it came to a time that I needed to make one, I can make this out of a spoon, a spork. So they give you, they issue you in the shoe or online too. It doesn't matter where you're at. But this one right here in particular, I just took the rubber off with the razor, got on my hands and knees, and in 3 seconds or 2 minutes, it was done. It was done, and it's not at a fine point, but I'm 6 foot, 245 pounds, and if I come at you with this, I'm penetrating your skin. So basically, you more than likely other races use these because they're lazy. They don't put in the time, they don't put in the effort, and it's not mandatory for them to have weapons on them. When you're running with a particular gang inside prison, behind prison walls, it's mandatory to have a weapon. It's not something that we frown upon. It's encouraged. So everybody has a weapon, and this is not what you'll see on a Sureño's household. You might see it because you didn't have access to nothing else, but basically, this is a toothbrush, bro, and it'll go in you and it'll make you bleed, and it'll do some damage. That's a prison toothbrush shank. Simple as that. Takes 5 minutes to make, from breaking open the package to finished product.
That's a quick weapon. And you said file it down. You're talking about on the concrete?
On the concrete, yeah, just scraping it all sides. And that's it.
Is there even a faster way with like
a lighter? Nah, not really, because what you're going to do is you're going to toss smoke. You're going to cause the plastic burning the scent, and you're going to give yourself away. What's this guy burning plastic for? You're going to get your house hit. On the ground's the best way. Yeah, that's how we would do it.